Alright, GM basically screwed us on these LTs. If you look in here, you see those little notches where the bolt goes. There's 4 of them. Well, some of them are a little more aggressive than others, which results in your threads looking like this when you pull them out. See, let's find a good one. Here's a good one. How it should look on the right and on the left. It's no bueno. So now I gotta buy a whole bolt set. Might as well get some ARP bolts to go with these high dollar trunnions here. The best of the best right here though.